Dear students and learners, welcome back to my lecture series on this YouTube channel English Mania. Feed the mind, feel the English. So today's video lecture is about the activity from the lesson 1.4 Big Data, Big Insights. So let's begin this video lecture. So before starting this video lecture, I must tell you, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it now. Keep supporting me, keep loving the channel. Thank you so much. So the first activity is from the icebreakers of the lesson 1.4 Big Data, Big Insight. It's there on page number 35 of your English class textbook. Question is, give business suggestions to the respective industry or company for the following situation. And you need to give business suggestions, and there are 1 2 3 4 5 total 5 situations given to you on page number 35. So the situation is, many passengers prefer morning flights between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. from Mumbai to Delhi. So suggestion is already given on page number 35. Suggestion is, increase the number of flights between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. So the next situation is, many students are opting for UPSC or MPSC exams. So the suggestion would be, increase the number of private online study centers publish books. Third situation is, many people go for morning walks to Kamala Nehru Park. So the suggestion would be, increase the number of tea stalls and other shops out of the park. Fourth situation is, many people buy clothes from miracle.com, an online shopping site. So the suggestion would be, increase more varieties of products with attractive offers. Last situation is, the viewership on television is more between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. So suggestion would be, increase the number of advertisements with double rates. So these are some situations and their suggestions. Now let's see activity 2, which is given on page number 35. People get information from various sources, name them. So you need to write the various sources from which people get information. So sources are Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, Wikipedia. Third activity is, YouTube has many videos on various things. Listen to the uses and health benefits of lemon and share them with your friends. So you need to watch one video, any one of the videos from Facebook, and you need to write the uses of lemon, means health benefits of lemon. So here I have written certain uses and health benefits. First one is, improved digestion, boost immunity by vitamin C. This is a very important health benefit that we need nowadays. Help control weight, prevent kidney stones, reduce cancer risk, best for skin, teeth and hair. Next activity is, explain the term big data. You need to explain the term big data. First one is, powerful effect on people's lifestyle, food habits, health and travel. All online activities are recorded, monitored and analyzed. Collection of huge amount of data in petabytes or exabyte. Increasing in volume, variation, velocity, veracity and value. Used to give insights, a very complex process, useful in industry. Purpose of using data is important than the amount of data. So this is the explanation of the term big data. Now let's see different fields where big data is used effectively. So the fields are sports, location tracking, healthcare industry, entertainment and media, understanding weather, banking, finance and trading, education industry and advertising industry. Now let's see activity A2 from the page number 40. So make point-wise notes from the lesson regarding the use of big data in the following applications. So first one is location tracking. So In location tracking, big data is used for GPS and Google Maps, use of geographic positioning, use of radio frequency identification, useful in traffic management, helps to locate accident prone areas, useful to plan our own travel route, can track the online ordered goods, helpful for logistic companies. Now see health and care industry. So big data is used in health and healthcare industry, use of smartwatches and health apps, use of mini biomedical devices, collected data gives new insights, detect heart rate, monitor sleep pattern, 24/7 monitoring in hospitals, useful in exercise, provides feedback, use of gadgets to monitor sugar and BP, helpful for better diagnosis, helpful in maintaining past records, better monitoring of disease, individual suggestions and solutions. So you can remember any 4 to 5 points. So there are certain uses of big data in education industry, like information about students and study, can prepare learning program, can design course material, understands students choices and difficulties, information of courses and specialities, results, help to gauge programs, useful as career guidance, improvement in operational effectiveness, provided solution as biggest pitfalls, enhance the progress of students. So these are some uses of big data in education industry. In banking, finance, trading, investment patterns can be studied, helped banks and companies with suitable plans, enabled smooth functioning, cybercrimes and frauds are predicted and prevented, easy analysis of past data, handles missed transactions and failed issues, monitors financial markets, use in high frequency trading, algorithms used for trading decisions, support to equity trading. You can remember any 4 to 5 points. In the field of sports, recording of matches, trainings and workouts, video analytical help to see minute performance. Okay, so any 4 points you can remember. In the field of advertisement, advertisers are biggest players. Use of Facebook, Google, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, etc. provides a great deal of data, can run targeted campaigns, use of data analysis techniques, clicking gets different results. In entertainment and media, focuses targeting people, provides right content at right time, use of our past views and behaviors, shows different recommendations, effectively used by Netflix and YouTube, increasing engagement and revenues, also used by television broadcasters. Now understanding weather. Use of weather sensors and satellites, huge data continuously received, help to understand weather forecast, making us aware about natural calamities, helpful for necessary preparations, useful to study global warming, useful to predict availability of natural resources. Now let's see another activity. It is based on personal response type question. Precautions to take when asked for personal details on social media. So what are the precautions you will take when you are asked for personal details? You are asked to fill personal details on social media. First one is, make sure whether you know the person well. Remember, bank never ask your personal details. I'm sure you must get these kind of messages every day. Never keep your personal details public. Do not respond spam mails. Keep your password strong and changing. Do not accept unknown friend request. Complain to cybercrime department. Let's see another activity. It is given on page number 41 of your 12th class English textbook. All the data we receive is not used for positive things. Make a list of the negative things which can be done with the help of the big data. You need to make a list of negative things. First one is data hacking, then virus attack, then misuse of personal data, then credit or debit card fraud, and last one is excessive advertising. Let's see next activity. It is given on page number 41. Guess the meaning of the following idioms and phrases and use them in sentences of your own. First one is one size fits all, and it is already given on page number 41. It means suitable for or used in all circumstances. Example is the wristwatches have adjustable belts, so one size fits all. So this one is already given. Next one is once in a blue moon. It means very rarely, sometimes. In Hindi, you can say ईद का चांद हो जाना. Example is my dad is working in USA and he visits home once in a blue moon every couple of the years. Next idiom is one man army. It means a dominant and capable person. Example in a sentence is he was a one man army on the hill. Next idiom is once bitten, twice shy. It means a first unpleasant and bad experience. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you have got whatever I have taught you in this short video lecture. Thank you so much.